Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 2 class 6 geography, globe, longitudes and latitudes. NCERT solutions at your fingertips. The main topics of this chapter are parallels or latitudes, heat zones of the earth, meridians or longitudes, time zones of the earth, local time and standard time. Most of these topics are covered in the question answer section. So let's begin with the question answers. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What is the true shape of the earth? Answer. The earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulge in the middle. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means an earth-like shape. Part B. What is a globe? Answer. A globe is a three-dimensional miniature model of earth. It is a sphere on which a map of the earth is represented. It can accurately show the size, shapes, distance and direction of various places on the earth. Part C. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer. The latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north. D. What are the three heat zones of the earth? Answer. The three heat zones of the earth are torrid zone means hot zone, temperate zone it is a moderate temperature zone, frigid zone it is a cold zone. E. What are the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? Answer. Parallels of latitudes. All the imaginary parallel circles from the equator to the poles are termed as parallels of latitudes. They indicate how far we are in the north and south of the equator. Meridians of longitudes. All the imaginary semicircles which join North Pole to South Pole are termed as meridians of longitudes. They indicate how far we are in the east or west of the prime meridian. Part F. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? Answer. The torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all the latitudes between these tropics. Since this zone receives direct rays of the sun throughout the year, it receives maximum amount of heat. Part G. Why it is 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? Answer. London is situated at 0 degree longitudes whereas the Indian standard meridian is located 82.5 degree east of the prime meridian. Our earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, that is 1 degree in 4 minutes. The time in India is ahead of London. It is 4 minutes ahead at every longitude towards east. So, the time difference between Greenwich, London and India is 82.5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 330 minutes. That is 5 hours 30 minutes. So, it will be 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 noon in London. Question number 2. Take the correct answers. A. The value of the prime meridian is number 1 90 degree, number 2 0 degree, number 3 60 degree and the correct answer is number 2 0 degree. B. The frigid zone lies near number 1 the poles, number 2 the equator, number 3 the Tropic of Cancer and the correct answer is number 1 the poles. C. The total number of longitudes are number 1 360, number 2 180, number 3 90 and the correct answer is number 1 360. Part D. The Antarctic Circle is located in number 1 the northern hemisphere, number 2 the southern hemisphere, number 3 the eastern hemisphere and the correct answer is number 2 the southern hemisphere. Part E. Grid is a network of number 1 parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes, number 2 the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, number 3 the North Pole and the South Pole and the correct answer is number 1 parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south. B. The standard meridian of India is 82.5 degrees east. C. The 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian. D. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards the poles. E. The Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. These were the question answers of the chapter. Thanks for watching this video till end.